At Topline Pavement Services, we understand that well-defined, clearly visible lines are essential for safety, organization, and overall curb appeal. Our expert team specializes in professional line painting services across Southwestern Ontario, ensuring your parking lots, roadways, and commercial properties are marked with precision and durability. Whether you need new layouts or refreshing faded lines, we've got you covered with high-quality, long-lasting results. Our experienced technicians use the latest equipment and high-performance paint to deliver sharp, consistent lines that meet industry standards. From parking spaces and handicap markings to directional arrows and crosswalks, Topline Pavement Services ensures every detail is handled with care. We work efficiently to minimize disruptions to your business, providing flexible scheduling options to suit your needs. With a reputation built on reliability and excellence, Topline Pavement Services is your trusted partner for all line painting needs in Southwestern Ontario. Let us help you enhance safety and appearance with professional, durable line painting solutions. Contact us today for a free consultation and see how we can transform your property.